Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change the units on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to change and switch between mile per hour and kilometer per hour, normally it's gonna be automatic on your car depending on which region you're in. But if you want to select it manually, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So just here on the right of your steering wheel, go to your car screen. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look on the screen. So just go here and then just go to the settings, and then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these settings right here. You're gonna find general, Wi-Fi, display, and so on. So just go ahead and click on general, and then here we're gonna find these four options: accessibility, date and time, keyword, and lastly language and unit. Go ahead and click on language and unit. Then here the first option is going to be changing the language, and just here you're going to find measurement. So measurement is basically kilometer or miles per hour. As you can see guys, here it's set automatically, and if you want to set it manually, just click on this button right here, and then here you can change between miles and kilometer. For example, I'm going to switch to miles, and then it's gonna be switched directly. Just go back and then your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.